On the completion of 2 years for the implementation of Inner Line Permit (ILP) system in Manipur, the Jiribam District Police observed second anniversary today at the entry gate of the district. The observation was attended by Deputy Commissioner Jiribam W. Malimganba Chinglai, Superintendent of Police Jiribam K. Ravikumar Singh, along with many other officials. Addressing on the brief data of ILP since its implementation from 1st January 2020, the Superintendent of Police Jiribam K. Ravikumar Singh said on the completion of 2 years for the implementation of ILP, around 93 lakh rupees were collected as fees from manual and EILP pass at Jiribam district. The EILP was launched by the Chief Minister of Manipur on 2nd September 2021. Since the inception of EILP portal, around 22,358 numbers EILP temporary inner line permit were issued and 1,894 permits were renewed. SP Jiribam stated that Manipur has been included in the railway map and ILP counter has opened at railway station of Jiribam so as to issue ILP pass to the passengers who were entering Manipur through railway. He added that to implement such an ILP system, public support is also needed. He appealed for the mass public support for the proper implementation of the ILP system. The district police make its full effort to implement the ILP system precisely at Jiribam district, he added. The Deputy Commissioner Jiribam W. Malimganba Chinglai said, since the inception of the ILP system, the district police Jiribam strictly enforced the ILP system at Jiribam. He added, as per instruction of Chief Minister of Manipur on his visit to Jiribam district at Go to Village program, the district administration has prepared an estimate proposal for setting a modern ILP counter with proper facilities for staff and public.